Good morning children. How are you all, Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 38. Now I'm going to start exercise 39. Let us start the class. First one, 30 into 50 equal to how much? 30 into 50 equal to how much? Instead of multiplying number down number, you can do it easily by multiplying the number. 30 into 50. By multiplying the numbers given, not the zeros. How many zeros was given? 1, 2 zeros. Write those 2 zeros. Next, 3 fives. What is 3 fives, children? 15. So answer is 1500. Answer is 1500. See the second one now. How many 10 pice coins make? How many 10 pice coins make rupees 2 rupee 50 paisa? Rupees 2 rupee 50 paisa. How many pies are there in 2 rupees 50 paisa? 2 rupee 50 paisa equal to, if you remove that dot, it will be the pies. So 250 paisa are there. 250 pies are there. In 2 rupee 50 pies, 250 paisa. Here they are asking how many 10 pies coins are there in that number. Number of 10 pies coins in 250 pies. So it's nothing but 250 by 10. 0, 0 get cancelled and 25 coins they will get. 10 pies coins, 25 coins they will get. See the third one. 9 into 4 plus 8 into 3 equal to how much? First you have to multiply 9 into 4. What you will get? 9 into 4 means 9 fours. What is 9 fours, Amma? 36 plus 8 threes 24. If you add 36 and 24, you will get the answer. See that? 36, 24. 6 plus 4, 10. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 60. So the answer is 60. See the next sum, children. Fourth one. Fourth one. 3 meter 52 centimeter equal to dash centimeter. 3 meter 52 centimeter equal to dash centimeter. Okay, 1 meter contain 100 centimeters. 1 meter contain 100 centimeters. Yes, na? So here question is 3 meter 52 centimeter. So 3 into 1 meter contain 100 centimeters. So 3 into 100 plus, and next one they given centimeters only 52. What is 3 into 100? 300 plus 52. 352 centimeters. See the fifth one, children. 400 divided by 8 equal to how much? 400 divided by 8 equal to how much? 8 divides 4 hundreds. 8 divides 4 hundreds. How you will write? 8 table. 8 ones 8, 8 to 16. Write 8 table. 8 ones 8, 8 twos 16, 8 threes 24, 8 fours 32, 8 fours 32, next 8 fives 40. So 8 5 40 came now. So 8 fives 40. Reminder 0. Now drop down the next number, that also 0. 0 in 8 table. How many times it 0 goes? 8 zeros 0. 0. Reminder 0. So answer is 50. Answer is 50. Okay, next one. See the sixth one, Amma. Insert the symbols. Insert the missing symbols. Insert the missing symbols. What are the symbols necessary? Plus, minus, into, division. These four symbols you have to place in middle of the numbers and you have to satisfy the given statement. What the given statement they given for us? 15, box 5, 4 equal to 7. So what numbers you have to use? See, 15 plus, if I keep plus 15 plus 5, 20, it exceeds. Here we have to get 7 only. Next 15 minus 5, 10. 10 plus 4 or 10 minus 4, 6, not 7. So into 15 into 5, 75. So it also not nearer to that number. So 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, what is 15 divided by 5, children? 15 divided by 5 means 3. Okay. 15 divided by 5 means 3. And 3, how much you have to add to get 3? If you add 4, you will get 3. So what you have to do? Add. So 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. See the next one, Amma. Seventh one. Which is a better unit? Which is a better unit? Which is a better unit for measuring the following? For measuring the following. First one, distance between Delhi and Calcutta. Distance between Delhi and Calcutta. And Calcutta. They given two options for us. First option kilometer, second option kg. What the question they given, Amma? Distance between. Distance means the length between two objects is called distance. Yes, na? What is the distance between Delhi and Calcutta? In what units we will measure? Kg means we will measure weights. Yes, na? Kilometer means distances. So right answer is kilometer. See the second option, second question what they asked. See the second one, Amma. Weight of a man. Weight of a man. Already I told you, children, weights are measured in kg or grams. Weights are measured in kg or grams. Here man weight means it is more than that, it will be in kgs only, not in grams mostly. So you have, man is an elder person, so it is measured in kgs. It is measured in kgs. See the third question, children. Capacity of a jug. Capacity of a jug. Capacity of a jug is measured in liters, grams. Weight means we used to measure in grams, but here capacity of jug. Capacity means how much it takes. If you pour some water or milk in that jug, how much it weighs or how much it can load it or how much it can be the capacity. That means it is measured in liters. This is measured in liters. See the next one, ma. 10th one. Cross out the odd one. Cross out the odd one. Cross out the odd one. Eighth one. They given some shapes: circle, and irregular shape, oval and a square. Okay, they are asking which is odd one out. All are regular shapes except the second shape. So tick the odd one out. This one is the odd one out. Remaining all the regular shapes. Or else if you check the curved faces, these are all having the curved faces except this. So you can tick this also. That has only straight edges and straight corners. So any one you can choose. Ninth one, 3 by 10 plus 5 by 10. Okay, how you will see 3 by 10 plus 5 by 10 here, denominator is 10. In fraction, the upper number is called numerator. Again and again I am repeating you, the number which will write in the down, we call it as a denominator. So here the denominator is 10. Add the numerators 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5 children? 8. 8 by 10. 8 by 10. Next one. 4 hours 25 minutes. 4 hours 25 minutes. 4 hours 25 minutes. 10th one. 4 hours 25 minutes equal to how many minutes? 4 hours 25 minutes equal to how many minutes? Okay. First you should know what is 1 hour. 1 hour contain how many minutes children? 60 minutes. 1 hour contain 60 minutes. So here the question is about 4 hours 25 minutes. 4 hours 25 minutes. So 4 hours 25 minutes equal to 4 into 1 hour contains 60 minutes. Yes, na hour means 60 minutes. 4 into 60 plus, and here the second one 25 minutes is given in minutes only. So you have to add it. Plus 25. 4 into 60. 4 into 60. 4 6 are 24 and write this 0 as usual plus 20. 240 plus 25. 0 plus 5 5. 4 plus 2 6 2. 265 minutes you will get. What is 4 hours 25 minutes? It's nothing but 265 minutes. Okay children. Now the exercise 39 also completed. Okay. In the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.